Okay, so I think a good thing to do with this radio at this point is go through the bands again and see what it's receiving. And let's see. Let me just. I'm on the broadcast band right now. Okay, and this is the ground coming from my antenna, or this would ground the radio. It just seems to introduce noise, so I'm going to go without ground on there. Or, you know what I should do? I should connect the ground where it's supposed to go. Let's see if that's any different. It just seems to introduce a lot of noise, so we'll do... Oh, no antenna. We'll do this with just the antenna. Okay, so we're just gonna scan the AM band here. Here we go. Just to show you, it's all coming in on the antenna. Well, we didn't get much on that band. Let's go up to the we'll go up to the highest band now. That's the 21 megahertz band. I have the volume turned up full while I'm doing this. Seems like the same interference over and over, doesn't it? But no signals. We'll try the next band down. I'm not surprised. This band, I would expect to hear something. Starting at the bottom. Don't need quite as much volume on it. Starting at the bottom of the band. Something there, anyway. If the AVC was really working well on this radio, in between stations, the radio's gain would be cranked up and we'd hear a lot more hiss. I still think there's no AVC action in this radio. I think like if I just read the grid voltage. Grid voltage on, it was pin number 4. Do I remember right? I don't know. Let's give it a shot though. Let's see what we get here. So on pin number 4 of the RF amplifier. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I see let me clip this on because I'm getting various readings. So 1, pin 4. Probably not the best place to do this. Because I'm right on a grid, and that's not normally the best thing to do. Just connect my meter to ground here. Okay, let me make sure you can see this. So there's the AVC voltage, minus 1 point. Let's see if I can. There. 1.35. Now I'll tune and we'll watch this. That's kind of odd. I'm tuning between two spots that have no signal, as far as I can hear. And there you're getting 145. See, now there's a real radius to signal.
United Kingdom, Saudi Arabian Kingdom, are controlled by pain.
I'd say it's hardly changing at all. I mean, this is the second decimal point here.
Signs that would alert you, so you would begin to look for the signs. You know what I'm saying? And then she'll appear with time.
We need a blaster of a radio signal here to really get this. Let's go down one more. We're on 15 megacycles now. I'm pretty sure there's some powerful signals here. Famous last words. Hey, did that change when I changed the band?
To believe is not merely to apprehend something intellectually. That's not the...
Yeah, there's no AVC action. Let's see what happened when I changed the band. Hey, that's kind of weird. Okay, so this is the top band, 21 megahertz. 21 megahertz. 21, 17, 15, that's 11, 9, 7, but it sure sounds like the AM band, doesn't it? 6, AM. Okay, there's the AM band. Look at that. Look at that. There's what you expect to see. And normally, look, it's ground, like it's hanging out around. There's a strong signal there. 13 minus 13. A strong something, anyway. Well, that's interesting, isn't it? So another piece of the puzzle has been revealed here. Okay, so now we're on a short wave band. Look at that. Now there was an AVC issue with the tone control, or at least when I look at the circuit diagram, it seems to indicate the tone control is implicated. So let's move the tone control. Okay, so this is phono, short wave, and this is I think this was melody, bright, And the last setting was fidelity. Well, isn't that interesting? So you have to have this thing set 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 gives you the AVC voltage. So that's why the tone. Oh, I hope you were able to see all that. I wasn't flashing this like that. Okay, but anyway, you heard what I said. So I think I was correct. When you set the radio to short wave, you turn on the AVC. But what you hear is that. Oh, this is getting more interesting all the time, isn't it? And I'm pretty sure when we scoped it, we saw nonsense on the AVC line. So this, I think this is really, I don't know what it's indicating. A wiring problem in the tone switch, which we're suspicious of, or what? Well, that's really interesting. So I'm going to stop here. I'm going to study the schematic and sort out what is going on when you switch it to shortwave. You know what I'll do? I'll color one of these up. I'll take these and color them up in the shortwave setting, and that'll indicate what is going on. I'm pretty sure. Well, I hope so. Anyway, well, thanks for watching this piece. Well, getting pretty excited about nailing down what's wrong with this radio.